Okay, what we have here is the show of Miss Nettie, Stupid Human Trick number 16. Okay, Mom, can you hold the camera on Nettie? And we're going to have Nettie
I'll hold
performing
it on her.
her 5th salami trick of the evening.
Yeah. I will show you how I do it. I eat it from my door.
That is all the time. I hope you didn't think of yours.
I'm afraid she did. I don't think I've ever seen it.
She did! She did! She ate salami alive!
Okay.
Now, back to video 16. Nettie, are you kidding? Nettie, eat it! Eat it! Nettie, eat it! Eat it! Nettie, eat
Watch this, Alex. Watch this.
Elastic!
Oh, God. That's disgusting.
There you go, Daddy.
Okay.